Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Baggage Allowance Myths Debunked. Airline baggage policies spark myths that confuse travelers. Not all airlines share the same rules. Policies vary by carrier, route, and fare class. Personal items aren't always free, and carry-on weight limits may be enforced. Baggage allowances differ across connecting flights, and checked bags aren't guaranteed safe. Budget airlines don't always have stricter rules, and extra baggage may not board. Lost luggage often requires airport pickup, but fees can sometimes be negotiated with elite status or prepayment. 1. All airlines have the same baggage rules. Many travelers assume baggage policies are universal across airlines. In reality, each carrier sets its own rules, varying by weight, size, and fees. For example, Southwest Airlines allows 2 free checked bags up to 50 pounds each, while budget carriers like Spirit charge for both carry-ons and checked bags. Over 65% of travelers report confusion due to these differences. Always check your airline's specific policy before packing. 2. A personal item is always free. The belief that a personal item, e.g., a purse or laptop bag, is universally free is misleading. While many airlines, like United, allow one personal item, up to 9 by 10 by 17 inches, alongside a carry-on, budget airlines may charge for anything beyond a small backpack. In India, strict one cabin bag rules limit passengers to a single 7 kilograms handbag, with additional items requiring check-in. Verify your airline's policy to avoid gate fees. 3. All baggage must be checked. Some travelers think all luggage, except a small personal item, must be checked. This is false. Most airlines allow a carry-on bag, typically 22 by 14 by 9 inches, plus a personal item in the cabin, provided they fit in overhead bins or under the seat. Misinterpreting this can lead to unnecessary check-in delays or fees. Over 30% of passengers face issues due to such misunderstandings. Pack strategically to maximize cabin allowances. 4. Baggage allowances are consistent across a journey. A common myth is that baggage allowances remain the same across connecting flights. If your itinerary involves multiple airlines or separate tickets, each carrier's rules apply. For example, a domestic U.S. flight may charge for checked bags, while an international leg might include one free. Without interline agreements, you may need to recheck bags at connecting airports, risking fees. Review all airlines' policies for seamless transfers. 5. Carry-on weight limits are never enforced. Many believe carry-on weight limits, often 7-10 kg, are rarely checked. However, airlines like KLM or Air India may weigh bags at the gate, especially on international routes. A recent survey showed 25% of travelers faced confusion over carry-on dimensions and weight. Exceeding limits can result in hefty fees or forced check-in. Use a portable luggage scale to ensure compliance before heading to the airport. 6. Checked bags are always safe. The assumption that checked bags are secure can lead to disappointment. While airlines like Air India offer tracking via World Tracer, bags can be lost or damaged. Compensation for lost luggage varies. Up to $3,300 for U.S. domestic flights, but only $640 per checked bag internationally under the Warsaw Convention. Pack valuables and fragile items in carry-ons and report damages immediately at the airport. 7. Budget airlines always have stricter rules, while budget carriers like Ryanair often have stringent baggage policies. Assuming they're always stricter is incorrect. Full-service airlines may impose tight restrictions on specific routes or fare classes. For instance, Turkish Airlines' EcoFly package excludes checked baggage on some European routes, similar to budget models. Compare policies, as full-service carriers sometimes offer generous allowances, like Singapore Airlines' 2 50-pound bags to the U.S. 8. Extra baggage always fits on the plane. Travelers often think paying for extra baggage guarantees it travels with them. However, flights have weight limits based on aircraft type, weather, or runway conditions. If a plane exceeds its maximum takeoff weight, bags may be offloaded, as seen when a Wheelchair Sports Club's equipment caused delays. Prepay for extra bags online to secure space, but know there's no absolute guarantee. 9. Lost luggage is always delivered. A myth persists that airlines deliver lost luggage, especially internationally. Customs regulations often require owners to be present for clearance, preventing delivery. While domestic lost bags may be shipped, international ones typically await pickup at the airport. File a Property Irregularity Report, PIR, immediately and track via airline systems to expedite recovery. 10. Baggage fees are non-negotiable. Many assume baggage fees are fixed, but flexibility exists. Elite status members, like Star Alliance Gold, often get extra allowances, as do credit card holders with airline perks. Kayak's Fee Assistant helps compare fares including baggage costs, and prepaying online can save money. Negotiate at check-in for minor overages, especially with full-service airlines, though success varies. Baggage policies are a minefield of myths that can derail your travel plans. By debunking these misconceptions, you can pack smarter, avoid fees, and ensure a smoother journey. Always research your airline's rules, weigh bags at home, and leverage tools like baggage calculators or loyalty perks. Knowledge is your best defense against the complexities of airline baggage allowances. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.